Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a eye makeup tutorial on this navy look right here. So if you want to see how I created it, then please just keep on watching. So I've already done my base, foundation, bronzer, concealer, all of that stuff. So I'm going to go straight in with the eyes. I'm going to use my Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. Bloody huge. Oh god, let me open it. So it's got all these shades here. And these are all the names. Like, this did come like separate over the top, but I stuck it to the top because, you know, I'd never know what the names are and I would just lose that, so I literally just stuck it to the top, so it's so much easier. So yeah, this is the palette that I'm going to be using to create this look. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is called Bear, and I'm going to take that on a really nice soft fluffy blending brush and blend that right into my crease, taking that right into the inner and outer half of my eyelid. I'm sort of blending it quite far up into the brow, like I always like to blend things quite far up, so there's a nice transition. Doesn't matter what eye colour look I'm doing, I always like to put a neutral toned eyeshadow in the crease. Just helps blend everything together. While I'm here, I'm just going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to pick up the same colour and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. I'm blending it quite far down just so we'll be able to see it, because I am going to apply whatever on my lid I like to apply on my bottom lash as well. So that's why I'm taking this quite far down, just so I prepare myself. And this look is going to be so easy. I'm literally just going to be using two eyeshadow. This is one of them. And the second one is going to be this really pretty navy blue shade. This is called Indigo. So first of all, I'm just going to take my flat shaded brush, just any flat shaded brush will do, and I'm going to pick up that navy blue shade. And because we don't want the fallout, because we've done our face already, I'll need to tap off the excess, and I'm going to press that over the lid. I'm doing like a really sort of like light wash of this colour to start with, just because I do not want any fallout. So I'm not picking up too much product, making sure that whatever I am picking up, tapping off the excess and then pressing that over the top. Like, this definitely is a buildable shadow, so just be patient with it. I think any sort of dark colours you've got to be careful with. Just apply a little at a time and then you can sort of add to them. Now I'm just going to grab my fluffy blending brush that I've used for my transition and I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to go back to my flat brush to pack on a little bit more colour. Again, blend out. Always blend as you go. Now, just to make it a bit more navy, because I don't really know what's happening right now because it's going green, I'm going to pick up the same navy blue shadow and I'm going to dip into this black one right here, which is called Muse. So just using the same brush, going to dip into that navy, picking that up and dipping into that black. Again, tap off the excess. That's a little bit more like it. I don't know why that navy blue was turning green when I was blending it out, but I'm not a fan of just that on its own. But with the black, it looks really pretty and actually looks more like the shadow that's in the pan than it does when it's on the eye. But you know, whatever. Taking a blending brush, blending that out. So what I've done here is just to make it a little bit darker, I've dipped into this dark brown, oh, I can't say, this dark brown shadow here, which is called Frame. I think it's helped sort of like blend those two colours together, and it's a bit of a better transition for this eye look. I'm going to run that brown under my lower lash line as well. Then also taking a smaller pencil brush, I'm going to dip into that blue and that black to create that navy. Tap off the excess. I'm going to run that under my lower lash line, really quite close to my lash line. To open my eye up a little bit more, I'm going to take my Fuego highlight by Dose of Colours. I'm going to pick this up with this pencil brush, picking up a generous amount. And I'm going to apply that straight into my inner tear duct. I'm going to apply a little bit of that on my brow bone as well. I'm going to take this blue eyeliner, it's by Morphe in the shade Harper, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara and some false lashes. For lips, I'm just going to apply my Dose of Colours lip gloss in the shade Undressed. So this is the finished result. I am kind of gutted how that navy blue eyeshadow didn't turn out how it looks on the pan. It was sort of really wishy-washy, and then sort of when I blended it out it was kind of going green, which was really strange. But blending it with the, or mixing it together with the navy blue eyeshadow and the black sort of like helped me get the look that I was kind of looking for. But yeah, it's a super dark smoky look, which I'm kind of loving doing at the moment. But yeah, I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to be notified when I upload videos, don't forget to click on that bell and you'll be notified straight away. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it linked down below.